Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. Okay, you guys, what I want to share with you today is another Valentine's Day gift. And for this gift, you're going to be using a glass. And remember, I tried to buy all my glass at the dollar store. And so you need whatever glass you want. I found this one. It was plain. It didn't have any of these designs. But I'm also going to be talking about this in a minute. So this is the one that I got. And then I got this one where you can personalize either one of them. This one has these two circles, one in each side, that you can personalize with, etching either their name or whatever they may want. And this one I really like a lot. So this is a beer mug. And this one I'm going to make it for my son who likes football. So I etched this, everything related to football. And then I put the ball and the goalie, or however it's called. So I'm going to be making this for him. So you're going to be needing a glass, the one that you choose. You're going to be using tape, hot glue. I have my glue gun ready, hot glue. Always have like a little blade and scissors with you. You're going to need, let me show you this here. Most of the stuff I got it at the dollar store. And whether you're going to use it to give it to a family member, or you're going to sell it, I'm going to give you the breakdown on how much you invested and how much you can sell it for. So these are 12 inches, and we're going to need 6 of them, 9 inches. And then I got some little ones that I use, one of them for my little stuffed animal. So you're going to need a stuffed animal. And you're going to be needing six candies, the $1 ones. And you're going to get, depending on the container that you want, you're going to be needing Kisses chocolate. So I think this one will take about 1.5. I think this one will probably take about 4. And then you're going to be needing, if you want to give the person anything else, I just put this as a extra. These are some earrings. It's 0.925 silver on cubic zirconia, and I already put the stick on it. Also, you need a floral arrangement, these little foam things. You need one. So what I'm going to be doing this one, and if you can read, it says, I love you. And then it has the doves and the name Cassie and etched right on it. And these ones I got them at the Dollar Tree, and I already did a video on how to use this on either a wine glass or a wine bottle. Let me just show you really quickly. You should be able to find these videos. I did them just like this week. Okay, so look for them, you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing. So also we're going to need some of these cellophane. I got these two, and the red one that I have down here, on the floor. I got them at the Dollar Tree as well. So, and if you want a balloon, you can add a balloon. It's really up to you. But you're going to need 6 of these that are 9 inches, and one that is 6 inches that you're going to put behind the little stuffed animal. And right here where it has the tool, I'm going to be adding a little glue so it doesn't move so much. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, because I see that that is moving like way too much. So we want to secure it. So the way that I'm doing my candy, first of all, this is what I'm doing. It goes right in the middle, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put glue all the way across right in the middle. And you also, let me put it down. If you want to use the little candy, you can, but you will need the 6 inch for all of them. Okay, you don't need to use these big sticks for the little candy. So you're gonna put a little bit of glue on each side, and then you're gonna get a piece of tape. I already pre-cut mine, and you're gonna put it over it. Make sure it gets some of the glue on each side, and this is gonna finish securing the candy. Otherwise, this candy is a little heavy, and even in the little candy, when you make your arrangement, they just come off, and it's such a pain in the you know what. Okay, so let's go ahead and do all of our candies just like that, and see you back. All of my candy are completely ready. The little pieces that I cut them approximately 4 by 4. I'm gonna be doing this one here. So make sure that your glass is completely clean. Okay, and what I'm gonna be doing the side of her name to be my gold point. So I'm gonna be adding some of the candy here. Some of the kisses. And we're gonna be looking at how deep it's gonna go. So I think the whole thing has to be completely filled in. Oh, look what I got. I got one without the wrapper. Okay, so let me take these two off. So look at that, you guys. Just right there. Look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on my piece of foam so that it stays all the way around. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. So there it is. So you're gonna be start working with the candy. The first thing that you're gonna put in the front is you're gonna put your little stuffed animal, if you're gonna be using one. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. He's gonna be going like right in the front, right there. He's sitting right there. And then I wanna fix him a little later. So look at that. See how it starts looking pretty, like almost right away? I think I'm gonna put him a little more down. Okay, there it is. So now I'm gonna choose where I wanna put the candy. So here's one of the candy. So I'm gonna try to cover most part of this here. So we're just gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna put a different color because he's red. I'm gonna put a yellow one behind. Also, if you want to secure your candy a little more, you can put a little bit of glue right here before you stick it in. So let me show you, like just put a little bit right there. And then we're just gonna put in another one right here. Right there. So we have 2 candy. Oh, it went out. It went inside too much. Okay, so there it is. And then I'm gonna choose one that looks, I got 2 of the same. I don't know why. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, and I'm gonna put it on the other side, the same way. Right there. So see, they look even. Both of them look even. So now I'm going to put one of the other candies, but so it doesn't look funny, we need to keep covering the area. So I'm going to turn it around to see how much of this area I can cover. So again, we're going to put a little bit of glue right there. And we're going to decide, I think that I probably want to put one right there. Just like so. And I'm gonna put the other one, this one here, again, put a little bit of glue right there and put it facing the other way, just like that. I'm gonna make this thing a little more. So see how pretty it looks? So now we're just gonna put the last one. We're gonna go ahead and put it like right in this corner right here. Okay, so right there. Just like that. I hope this help. I put my my camera a little bit higher. I'm gonna try putting my balloon right in the middle, right there in the middle of there. And again, the balloon is optional. Let's see, let me tint it. Let me put it down here a little bit. See that how pretty that looks? And then if it's for a girl, you can always buy some earrings and put them right in there. Or if it's for a guy, you can do a necklace if he likes necklace, a watch, something that resembles your love for the person. So here we are. Let me show you here. Okay, just like so. So now all these gaps that you see here, we're gonna grab the cellophane that we got, and you're gonna put your scissors right in the middle and put the thing together, the cellophane together, and you're gonna go right in one of those spots where you can still see the foam and stick it in there. See, let me show you. There it is, see right there? So let me do a few more so I can show you. I don't want to make these videos so long that it's too overwhelming. But let me just put a few more so you can get the idea. And there you go. This is a gift either for him or for her. Just depending on what you're going to give them. Just replace the earrings for something for a man. So you're gonna go ahead and decorate the whole thing, and it's gonna look like this. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I hope you like it. There you go. So that's all for me, you guys. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna put a picture of this on my Facebook account. Is Mommy's Designs. If you want to share yours, I'm gonna put this one there, and then you can put yours in the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead. The next thing that you're going to see is the breakdown. So I'm going to do the breakdown of all the things that you use, but not the etching. The etching is separate. So I'm going to put in 2 different prices. But other than that, thank you so much for supporting me and watching. I pray that you are in health, and I declare love, health, and prosperity for you and your family. Until next time.